What's up, guys? So we're here with YWigs. It's been a while, but we're here with them today. It's the same packaging as usual, branded with their name on it. All right, so we're gonna see what we got in today's package. So when I open the box, I'm seeing a wig cap. Also got information card with their social media and hair care tips and stuff on it. And oh, lastly in the box, no goodies today. We have the wig. For today's wig, we're working with a very short bob, right? It's like a pixie cut bob. Whoa, this is different for me. This is absolutely different. It's like a whole bang vibe going on with how they send it to you. See it? I've never actually tried one of these like pixie cuts. It's usually like one that, well, you can brush it back if you want, because see the construction, how it look and stuff. But the style it came in, I'm intrigued to try it like that. So, oh my gosh, and the back. Whoa, this looks so neat. No, you see that video? Yeah, this shape up like for look like your hair on a box. I love this. It's actually 8 inches long. It's a natural color, as you can see. It's a pixie cut, a medium brown bob wig, and it's a 13x4 free part as well. So that's how the inside of the cap looks. It's not bleached nor tinted or anything, so if you want to do that, you can go ahead and feel free to do so. Also, inside of the cap has a total of 4 combs and adjustable straps in the back, which will be very helpful to keeping this very secure and snugged on your head. The hair feels nice and silky. I love how it looks. This is so different for me. I'm happy that I could, since lately, I'm not gonna lie, the company's been coming out. I know I say that a lot, but it's true. Like, I have so much different variety type of wigs to show you guys. It's like different styles and colors and construction, and it's really a vibe. I love that. So I'm very intrigued to go ahead and try this. Yeah, so let's get to it. So I'm just fitting it on, ensuring everything is super snugged. Wow. Okay. Wow. It's down on the back of my head. Let me turn. Give you guys a back view. That's a vibe, right? I think I might recurl it to get that fluff. I don't know. We're gonna see. But something tell me that this wig can go glueless. Alright, so I'm gonna actually pin back the front here so I can cut away the extra lace. I'm not sure as yet if I want to I'm not sure as yet if I want to like use any adhesive. Like, I feel like I want this to be like a glueless install.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah.
Got rid of all the extra lace. So as of right now, it's looking kind of crazy. It needs to be shaped and kind of like, tamed. So I actually think I'm going to have it falling more to this side. So I'm gonna have to I'm gonna use my hot comb along with my flat iron to kind of just go through it. I know it looks kind of crazy. We're gonna get it together.
I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know my heartbeat needed skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
Okay, so now I'm gonna take my flat iron and kind of just give it a bump. Remember, guys, this is glueless.
out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you deep.
So this is the final look, guys. After playing around with it, it's quite different from me. Usually, you know, I flip it over and stuff, but I feel like this was so like easy to work with today. Super easy. So I know that a lot of chicas out there will love this shortcut wig because number one, it is burning up right now. It is just burning up. We're in the peak of summer and it's hot. So a wig like this is just amazing. It looks good and it's convenient. Like you won't like have to, you know, feel any hair on your neck and your shoulder. Like it's short and trendy, and I mean that's what we want, right? And it's glueless, so you don't have to be confined to it. You take this off as much times as you please and just slip it on back, and it's perfect for my beginners. I love how I've been giving my beginners so many options since recently. Don't you guys like that? Yeah. So shout out to YWigs for this amazing pixie cut bob. It's cute. It's cute. It's giving grown. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about it down below. You know, you can play with it and style it. You can play with it and style it any way you please. I totally feel free to go ahead. Ooh, you see that feathered effect? Yes. It's giving Soft Sheen Carson ad. You remember those Soft Sheen Carson like the relaxer advertisement? Yeah. So, or Dark and Lovely. But yeah, that's how that's looking. Let me know if this video was informative to you guys. Don't forget to drop your thoughts down below. Also, the details on this wig will be in my description box. You know, the specifications and the direct link if you're interested in ordering this for yourself. Also, if I have any discount codes, that will be down there as well. And that's it for today's wig look, guys. Shout out to YWigs again for this look, and don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like the video, share the video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.